Yo, YouTube, check it out. It's snowing, we're out riding, just out in the freaking West Desert. I was riding along and I decided I wanted to do a bike check on my KLX, or on my KX450. This is a 2019 KX450. It's got Racetech suspension. You see the Racetech shock in there, Racetech in the front. Stock in 2019, these came with the A-kit suspension, so I didn't really have to do anything to the valving. I just changed out the springs for my weight. Yeah, so I got quarantined from work because I had a cough, got COVID-19 quarantined. So, you know, after weeks of not riding at all, I was hankering pretty bad. So we decided to come out here to the West Desert and ride, even though it's snowing. Sometimes you just gotta follow the example of Job, you know, and suck it up and just go ride anyways. When you have to go, you have to go. My boy's having troubles over there. Anyways, so yeah, I left the rear sprocket the same. I went down on the front sprocket, one tooth. I did the bigger bars, so I've got the fat bars with the Cycra Bark Busters. These are the Torque One Racing breakaway levers. I got these because they're supposed to come with two different colors. Well, only one of mine came with two different colors. Thanks, Rocky Mountain. I mean, I'm sure they probably would have helped me out if I complained about it, but it wasn't that big of a deal. Yeah, so I changed out the plastics, got black plastics with the teal front fender number plate. Then I had my boy over at Rapid, Utah, Throttle Therapy, do me some graphics. I had an LED headlight mounted here. It went out on me, but it was mounted just on these. Like, honestly, I zip tied it, but then I custom wired this switch up here to control the headlights. I put an hour meter in there when the bike was new, just so I can keep track of maintenance and stuff. I got a Recluse clutch. It's the model without the cover, but everything else. I'm running the Bridgestone X40 on the rear and X30 on the front. Stock pipe, uni air filter. I'm running the Cycra skid plate down here. I think that's basically it. I'm running the soft plug because I ride mostly trails with this thing. Yeah, then this is my boy Robbie. This is my boy Robbie's bike that I built. You guys have probably seen this before, the CRF. It's got everything done. I went through the whole bottom end, replaced one of the side cases because it was cracked. It's got a high compression piston with a stock OEM cylinder. Then in the head, I've got Black Diamond valves with the stage 2 hot cam. Yeah, and then it's got RG3 suspension done to it. I've got a lowering link, obviously brand new chain and sprockets. It's got a bunch of other little knickknacks. We painted the frame. It's got the applied triple clamps upper. We got the Cherbys Bark Busters on here with the updated front fender number plate. It's got the GPI radiators with the HTT made in Taiwan cap. Boyson Racing clutch cover. We've got the FMF Power Bomb header with the Q exhaust, the quiet one. Then I had my boy at Rapid, Utah make these custom graphics for me with the little trees in there. And then it's the Woods edition. So yeah, I built this thing for the trail. Oh yeah, then it's got the colored radiator hoses. yeah, I think that's basically the bike. Oh, I did Tusk Impact black wheels with white hubs. Yeah, she's pretty sexy. Anyways, we're just enjoying our day out here. Thought I'd give you guys a little fill in on what we're doing. All right, over and out. Guys gotta have somebody to watch other than me, other than the handlebars. So yeah, there was a couple parts that I missed on my bike that I forgot to mention on the bike once over for the bike check. On the CRF, we've got oversized foot pegs and Tusk shove bars. Then I went with the flat black Pro Taper bar cover, same as this one. Then on my bike, I've got the one-piece mount for my handlebars. And then on the CRF, oversized foot pegs. I think that's it. Then for my KX 450, the one I'm on, I ordered an 18-inch wheel. Onto the stock hub. So yeah, pretty much a trail bike. It is muddy. Front end's slipping a little bit. It's a little bit muddy. Oh! This is only difficult because I'm riding with one hand. That Recluse clutch helps out a lot. I need to freaking get a GoPro mount. I'm sorry. I will get a GoPro mount. I have a GoPro. I don't ever use it. I don't even know where it is. I record all my stuff on my iPhone, but it's getting to where it's not reliable anymore. Alright, I'm going to peace out for